kill, burn! Maim, kill, burn!
Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of The Happy Heretic. Just wanted to give you an update on what I've been working on the last couple of days. It's been kind of a fun project, but as you can see, I've been working on making some Gaslands cars, actually. It all started when I got the idea for post-apocalyptic Radiator Springs from the Cars movie, the Cars series of movies by Disney. And I started with Luigi here, and I actually really like how he turned out. I'm going to have a video on what I did for Luigi coming out probably not next week, but the week after. It's going to be more in-depth, kind of describing the process and that sort of thing. And, of course, naturally, I had to convert up some more Radiator Springs denizens. Right now, I'm currently in the process of painting Guido, Luigi's partner in the tire shop. You can see he's got some pretty badass bolt guns. And then I've also been working on the man himself, Lightning McQueen. So these are going to look pretty cool once I get them all painted up. Then I got some other just generic cars. I got this ridiculously oversized rocket launcher mounted to this. It was a bulldozer. And then I've got a truck rather, with a bunch of random bolt guns bolted onto it. There's a piece from a Battlefleet Gothic ship right there on the hood. Looks kind of like an insane engine. So these are gonna be a lot of fun to paint up. And like I said, I'm gonna have to do videos on all of these, I think, at some point. Not now, but in the future. So be looking for those coming up. But I also wanted to talk to you. Actually, I wanted to show you what I got in the mail today. Get these out of the way here. I got something very cool in the mail, if I can get it without dropping my microphone on the floor. I don't know if it's going to actually fit in the frame. It's really big, but yeah, it's not going to fit in the frame. But I got a Start Collecting Skaven Pestilens set. And this is going to be a lot of fun. I ordered this on Sunday, and it actually came today, so the shipping was very quick. I got it from mtechcave.com, and I'll go ahead and put a link to the website in the description of the video. They're not sponsoring it or anything. I've dealt with them a couple of times now, and it's been a really good experience every time. Selection is not so good at the moment on Games Workshop stuff because of various shipping issues, pandemic, and that sort of thing. But other than that, I mean, prices are good, and like I said, as I shake the camera, I've had a really good experience dealing with them every single time I've done so. So I picked up a Start Collecting Skaven Pestilens set. It's something that I'm going to be doing for the next couple of, God, I don't even know how long, but I haven't really been able to decide on an army, so I'm going to go ahead and get the Start Collecting boxes for each race in Age of Sigmar and probably in Warhammer 40k as well, and paint those up until I am struck with inspiration on a particular army, until I stick with something. So we'll see how that goes. I've got a video coming out in the next couple of days that is going to go into a little bit more detail about my thought process behind that. So stay tuned. And these guys, I might actually start working on these tonight. These are going to be really fun. That Plague Furnace or whatever the hell it is, that looks like a beast to paint. The Plague Claw as well, that's going to be pretty fun. Not sure where this guy got the gunk that he's scooping in there. Probably best not to ask that kind of question of a Clan Pestilens Skaven. So anyway, these guys are going to be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. And who knows, I might have to do a couple videos on how I paint Skaven. I think I'm going to do them very similar to my Nurgle boys, using oil paints and a lot of greens and browns and that sort of thing, make them look really grimdark and nasty. So we'll have to see how that goes. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and leave this quick video right here for now. Let me know what you think about all of this in the comments section below. Specifically with Gaslands, do you play Gaslands? Have you done up any cars as well? Do you have any converted Hot Wheels cars, any converted toys to show off or anything like that, let me know in the comments section below. As always, if you liked this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Both of those things help me out quite a bit. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you are always informed when I upload a new video, and I will see you all next time.